In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Steam QR code on your PC, and we'll achieve this together in just about 5 minutes. Let's get right into it, shall we? First things first, what you'll need to do is open your Steam application on your PC. If you haven't already got it pinned to your taskbar or desktop, you can simply search for it in your Start menu. Once you have the app open and running, your next step is to click on the Login button. You'll often find this at the top right corner of the app's interface. It's the gateway to accessing your account's features. Now you'll want to enter your account name and password. This is your usual login step where you type in your credentials just like you normally would when logging into any online account. If you have trouble remembering your password, make sure it's saved securely in a password manager so it's accessible when needed. Once you've entered your details correctly, go on and click on Sign In. This action will take you directly to your Steam homepage, which is the control center for all your Steam activities and settings. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile name. Click on it, because here you have options that dive deeper into personalizing and securing your account. After clicking your profile name, a drop-down menu will appear, from which you should select Account Details. This area is particularly important for managing your account security and settings. As you find yourself in the account details section, you'll want to scroll down until you see the account security section. Here is where you manage the safety and integrity of your account and gain access to crucial features like Steam Guard. Once in the account security area, look for an option called Manage Steam Guard. Click on this and you'll enter a realm dedicated to protecting your account via two-factor authentication and more. The step here is to select the option that says Get Steam Guard code from the Steam app on my phone. This is essential for enabling a QR code functionality that provides an added layer of security, allowing you to log in quickly and efficiently from anywhere. Finally, after you've configured everything, click on Done. At this point, your Steam account is set up to allow QR code logins every time you wish to sign in, adding both convenience and enhanced security. That's it. Now every time you want to log in, accessing your account will be quicker and safer with your Steam QR code. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide, and happy gaming.